What up, guys? We're back with this 4.8 build. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm getting this harmonic balancer off. And so what kit I got, I just rented a kit from AutoZone. It says Chrysler harmonic balancer puller. Number is 27139. I don't think it's for this, but I'm making it work. I think there is a GM puller, but like I said, I'm making it work. It's kind of hard. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking it off. You're gonna see that I'm gonna be struggling because this keeps on spinning on me and I'm by myself. Well, my kids are here, but they can't really help. Maybe, we'll see. That worst comes to worst, I go and ask my son, but let's give it a shot. Alright guys, so I took the timing cover off. The freaking pulley was a pain. And it was a pain because this kit isn't the right kit. What I had to end up doing is, I ended up taking out, this is what I was trying to do, just thread it and then I would press. You can see where I was pressing that on. And this is, let me show you the kit. So there's a kit. These little teeth right here, grab onto right here. The three right here, and right here, and right there. And then you grab this bolt, and this bolt right here, you just stick it in there, spin it, and then it was hitting, like I said, when you spin, it was hitting up against here. And then the crankshaft, and then basically it would come out, but this wasn't long enough. So what I ended up doing is just grabbing another bolt that didn't thread on, that was long enough, that stuck out enough. I stuck it in, and then I basically used the same method, but that bolt was a little bit bigger, and just it popped off. But man, yeah, it's a little bit longer than I thought it was for sure. Either that, or it was a pain in the butt. Anyways. So I got this off. Right now I'm gonna take the oil pump off. I gotta make sure that I'm guessing that dot has to match, I don't know what dot, to be honest. Yeah, so that dot. And then, yeah, I don't see any other dot. I was hoping there was something in here. Oh, what the hell? That scared me. What was that?
Sorry.
Freaking son. But yeah, I have you're supposed to have the piston front dead center, which I have. This would be the driver's side first piston closest to you. And it looks like it's pretty close. That is pointing down. But I would imagine that there was another little dot Oh, I see it. It's hiding. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's on this gear right here. Right. You can see it right there. A little bit right there on this tooth right under it. There's that. So you, this dot to that dot, and it should be center. So right now I think it's pretty dang close. So what I'm going to do is take the timing chain off, get it ready. I got a new timing chain over here, got a new pump as well. The seal, I got everything, all the gaskets, I have them new. I'll leave, oh, sorry about that. Cut that. I'll leave, I'll link for what, I pretty much order all my stuff from, what is it called? I'm trying to remember, from eBay. Seems like it should work. It's a lot cheaper than going to the auto parts store, so I'm saving a little bit of money that way. But I got the stuff in there. I'll be back, I believe, on this one. And just in case, the timing cover has 2 bolts that go to the oil pan. That way you know. You have to take those 2 off too. And they're 10s. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, there's 10s. There's 10s. But yeah, I'm gonna take the pump off, and then I believe there are 10s too. There are 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from there, we'll see where I'm at, and I'll be back with this video. Comment below, let me know what you guys think, and then but yeah, we'll be back. Alright guys, sorry it cut out. My son freaking took my phone and I didn't even notice it. But I just flipped this around. I took the oil pan off. There's still 10, so 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 bolts. It took me a minute to figure this out because I have the freaking flywheel in the way. But there's 2 long bolts. They're long and thin bolts right here. So watch out for those. But I'm taking the oil pump off first. And I gotta take this off because I'm replacing the oil pan to a shorter one. That way it doesn't rub on the ground or whatever the case, or I don't hit it when I'm driving it. So there is a bolt, 10mm bolt right here that goes right here. And so I think it comes, my oil pan comes with it. I freaking didn't bring it because I didn't realize that I needed it. But anyways, we'll focus on that later. But yeah, you gotta take this off to take the oil pump off. So I'm just gonna set this right here for now and see if this comes off. I think I'm gonna have to take those off too. Those looks like 12s or 13s. So I will be back here in a minute to show you. I am back. It is a 13, so I'm just gonna take it off. Then this one over here. Right. There. So put these over here. Oh. So those go to the, I don't even know what this is called, I forgot, but just gonna wiggle it around. There you go. Comes out on its own, has a seal right there. Oh. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this with this for now. This is all the oil. I'm happy that it looks clean. I'm gonna go through it to make sure there's not any metal or anything, but that's just gonna go in there for now. And then I'm gonna focus on taking the oil pump off, and then the timing chain. Oh, right there. This is the oil pump. It should just slide right out. Yeah, see? Oh, let me put it back. Well, it doesn't put back as easy as I thought. So let me take this bolt. Oh. Put that right there. And boom. There we go. That's how it looks.
How it looks?
Yes, sir. It's part number.
Part number 2? Or part
And
number
same
2?
thing with this. I'm gonna put this right here, and then I'm gonna grab a freaking. Oh. Give me 1 second. There we go. So I'm gonna just put that right there and get a garbage bag and then cover it up here in a minute. But yeah, I will be right back here in a minute. I'm gonna turn this thing over so I can focus on the timing chain.
Timing chain? What's that?
All right, guys, so I turned this around. I just wanted you to see this because this was looking a little off to me. Just a little bit. Well, I guess in the camera it looks all right, but I want you to see this. Look at this. I'm just... So... Let me see. So this... I think that's normal on these, I've heard. So I'm not too worried. But I just wanted to show you guys if you guys feel like it's off. There's a little bit of play, but I think we're right where we need to be on this one. But anyways, I'm gonna take this off and then we'll be back in a second. I think these are even 10s. You know what? Let me see. Oh no, whoops. Yeah, I'll be back because I don't got the 10 with me. All right, so I got that taken off. The heads, they look like this. Let me go on this side. Yeah, just a little circle around it. Nothing crazy. There's 3 of them. But I just wanted to show you guys this. So I'm about to take this off. I didn't know, but this hole, there's a pin right there to center it when you put it in. So once you pull it off, it just slides right off. And then go down. Boom. It's done. That is done. Check that out. So this is gonna go in the bucket too. Just gonna put it right here with this, and then the cam, have it in there. So for these, seen them take it off. Well, before I even take this off, I'm gonna take off the lifters. I have lifters, and then this, I'm gonna use this to spin them. You'll see. So just put that in a little bit, and then this video is gonna probably be long, but I think it will be worth it in the end. Like I said, 4.8 LS6 cam. I'm just putting in a new timing chain, something off of eBay. Like I said, I'm gonna put the links in the description. What else? I think that's really it. Yeah, LS6 cam, LS6 lifters. I'm gonna use the rods from the 4.8, and then the head, I got it machined. I don't know exactly how much, but they machined it for me a little bit. Should be hopefully pushing 400. Like I said, that's it'll be fun, but like I said, this car's to cruise, and I'm not with the baby mama. Gotta be roasting them rubbers, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I will be back here in a second. I just have to take, we can take this off. Yeah, so just gotta take this. These are 10s too, and then just take the lifters off. The other lifters I have them over there in the car, but they look pretty much the same. But yeah, I'm gonna get these off and then I'll be back with the other ones. All right, so I got the lifters out. They're all right there. They come in this canister. But yeah, that's how they look. They don't have to go a specific way. I usually like that little hole. I usually like, I don't know, I put them opposite. So one hole, basically this direction, this one is this direction, then, hold on, that doesn't make any sense. So that little hole, oil comes out and lubricates, so I put one this direction, then this one, I have the hole on this side, then this one has a hole right there, and then this one, you'll see it. God dang it, where the hell am I? See, it's right there. That little hole's right there. Then this hole's over here. Doesn't matter. And then I have this hole pointing. It doesn't matter. Anyways, got those out. Got the other side out. I was about to pull the cam. You see that? Ooh. But I'm guessing you have to take this plate off. So let's take it off. It's 10. So.
Hey Dad, guess what? Until tell the camera to scare someone, okay? Say that.
To scare someone?
Yeah.
Scare who?
This. All of it.
Are you crazy? Watch out, Peanut.
No, I'm saying do it harder.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Well.
16. Why is there 16? I thought there was.
Oh, whoops! I'm missing one. There's 4.
4. Mom, want to take one of these out?
Watch out, move. Oh. I think. Oh. It came out all right. Just trying to see if it has a gasket. I would think so. Anyways, figure that out here in a minute. Looks like it just had some glue or something on there. Feels like rubbery, scratching it. So that's all it has right there. I'll put this plate right here.
Is that a plate?
Then, oh, it is coming.
It's coming out.
All right, watch out, Peanut. All right. Here, you want to hold it?
I might want to hold it.
Grab it like this. Put your hands like that. There you go. Don't put your fingers in the camera. Pulling it right there. Up, right there. Okay, right there, right there, middle. All right. So just pulling this out. Just get as careful as you can.
In the camera.
Get this whole thing.
Whole thing?
Yeah. Hold on. I'll grab the camera.
Huh? Get that out.
All right. It is coming, guys.
Yeah, it's coming out.
There we go. This is what it looks like.
This is what it looks like. It's like beautiful. It looks like beautiful.
All right.
Look on the inside.
I want to let my son mess with the camera. I'll put this back.
Yep, the camera's right there. See that? That big hole? Space where you know sure you
What goes in there, Peanut?
Huh?
What goes in there?
In there?
Yeah.
I don't know.
The cam?
It's far away.
Tell them the cam goes in there.
So the cam getting goes in there. And it's a beautiful day. It's just not moving. Slow record my car's right there, and see, look at. How do you see the camera in?
Alright. Alright guys. So that's pretty much
Pretty much you
where
can
we're gonna
stick
be
your
for
hand
tonight.
in. So you can stick your hand
I
in.
freaking forgot oil, and I don't know if I should use
Use
the oil that I have. But
or the oil.
alright, we'll be see you guys later. Until next time. Alright guys, we are back. So right now, I just left the cam in some oil right now in the bag. I'm gonna go grab it. Just show you guys. Right here. Like I said, I just put some oil that I have left over in there in the bag for about 5 minutes. So that's all I had, so that's what I'm gonna use. So yeah, just any oil that you have, just lube it up before you put it in. So right now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, just slowly just work my way in. Just gotta kind of spin it until I leave the bolts. All right, just gonna put the bolts in to see if that helps a little bit. I've seen people use longer bolts. I'm sure that does help a lot. How that goes? It might. Let's take a look. No, it has a go, come on. Come on, dude. There we go. There we go. Simple as that. It took a minute. But it's in. That's all you really need to do. Gotta figure out what I gotta do to clean this up and see. Took my mom's towels. She's gonna be pissed. It's all right. I ran out of shop towels. But yeah, just want to show you how I'm doing it. But yeah, I'm gonna get the cam on. The cam on. The lifters are down there. Those are pretty simple. Here are the lifters. Pretty much all you do is, I'm gonna lube them up too before I put them in, but pretty much you just push them in these holders, and then there's a 10 right here in the center of this. Just put it in and you're good. All right, I'll be right back, guys.